want to put in an indicator when a filter is selected. For example, when we select January, we need an indicator to show that January is selected. And to do this, we'll just quickly go through some DAX functions. The first one is the concatenate X. Concatenate X is a function used to concatenate text values from a table or expression, optionally inserting a delimiter between each value. It's especially useful when you want to combine values from multiple rows into a single string. In essence, the concatenate function will help us display when one value is selected or multiple values are selected in a filter. Another function we also need to learn is called the isFiltered function. It is used to check whether a column is being filtered directly. Then the third one we'll learn about is called the selected value function in DAX, which is used to return the value of a column if there's only one value selected. Otherwise, it returns a default or a blank. To show you how to work with the selection, I'll tend to use two different options. One, I'll use the selected value option. Then two, I'll use the concatenate X option. Now let's get into Power BI and work with this. Let's start with the month. For the month, we use the selected value. Come to all measures and we create a new measure. For now, we'll just call it select month. We use the selected value. In this case, we want to go to our table called clean and we're looking for the month. Else it will show no month selected. And we press enter. We bring in a multi-row card visual and we set it to select months, showing no month selected. And we click on January, showing 1. February is showing 2. Change it to the name of the month. So instead of using month, we use month name and we press enter. In this case, it's showing us February, showing us March and April, and when nothing is selected, shows no months selected. Quickly add an if statement to help us stop blank from showing in case there is an error. So we just cut this, Ctrl X, and we'll say if selected months is not equal to blank, then show the selected value of the month's name, else show no months selected. Okay, and we'll run this. Nothing will change in the actual write-up, but the benefit here is in case there is a blank error, the system will help us stop that error from showing on the screen. Quickly format this. We come here and we say the background, say no background, and we'll call the title, say select month. We'll give the color of the title, we'll make it a gray color. Select month is okay. And we'll come to our visual. Just make the text white. Just Surgery UI. And we'll bring it here. So let's see. January, February, March, April. This option now is when you want to use the selected value option. Now let me use another option, which is the concatenate X option. We'll call this one select salespersons. Select salesperson. We use concatenate X. This expression, the concatenate X, the first thing it will need a table, so we can use the table. Then it will need the expression or the column. So let's say we're looking for salesperson in this particular table. And you can add an expression, but in this case, we'll just close the bracket. I'll show you the example, show you the different answers, then we'll work with it. Control C, Control V, we copy and paste this so we can easily reuse it. In this case, we change the select month and we use select salesperson. You can see it's giving us a rundown of all the values, everything in that particular column. To stop this from happening, we change the clean table here to just say the distinct of the salesperson. Close the brackets. We close these brackets here. Enter. Now it's giving us Ade, Bola, Chioma, and Danladi. At this point, we can introduce the delimiter. Let's go again. And we say, comma, add a delimiter, comma, and then close the delimiter to separate each of them now with a delimiter. Okay, you can see the separation. Let me zoom in so we can be part of what is happening. Now we need a space before each name. We come back here again and we add a space after the delimiter. Good. Now we have all this, but this is not what we want to appear on the screen. We want just a name when it is selected. So if we click on Ade, for example, it shows just Ade. If we click on Bola, it shows Bola. If we click on Chioma, it shows Chioma. If we click on Danladi, it shows Danladi. When none is selected, what we want to appear there is non-selected. We come back here, we use the is filtered option. So we just cut this, and we say if the salesperson is filtered, then we need to see, we need the concatenate X. The name of the column is the distinct of the salesperson, and the column we're looking for is the salesperson, and separate each of them by a space. So if no one is selected, then you just say no salesperson selected. Okay, so we add a comma here and we press enter. So we have it corrected now. So when Ade is selected, when Bola is selected, when Chioma is selected, when Danladi is selected. You can select Ade and Chioma at the same time. The system will still acknowledge the two. And when Ade is selected, and Ade's performance in January. Okay,